Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Maggie from The Simpsons. I'm going to do a full body pose and arms going to be going out either side. I'm going to go in to about here. Let's draw her nose. So her nose is going over to the left a little bit. So just grab the pen, just make sure I leave a little bit of room at the top for all the hair. And we'll just draw a nice curved oblong nose. Okay. Next up, I'm going to draw the eye. So first up on the right, I've got a big circular eye. So let's go in there and draw that eye in. Start from that nose area, just go right around. The eye on the left comes out from behind the eye we've just drawn, so it comes around this way and links back to the nose here. So if we go from about this point here, nice curved eye there. Cool. Let's pop in a couple of pupils. So on the eye on the right here, just got a pupil around about there, a little circle. And then on the left, probably one about here, nice little circle there. Let's give her eyelashes. So I've got one coming up here, one here, one here. And on the right hand side, I've got 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, let's go in and draw that famous Maggie hair. I'm gonna go from the eye here, I'm gonna pop out, I'm gonna draw a sort of chunky triangular hair popping up and down. So come up from the eye, sort of in the middle point here. Just kind of come up, back down, sort of slightly round it as you're working around it. Sort of curve it up, come down to about here. Now she does have a bow on her head there, so I'm gonna leave a little gap to just draw the edge in a moment. So start again here, come up, down, got another here, come upwards here, down like that, got another here, bring it down like that. Then as we come to here, one there, back, 2 more to go, coming down this way, 1, and a final one coming down out here, comes at the back to about there. Great, okay. Let's fill that gap and put that little bow in. So the middle of the bow is from the top of this point to about here. Just give yourself like a slightly like little rounded C. And then we can draw the edge of the bow. So that comes up this way, comes down nicely rounded, taper it in and just join it up there, like a little rounded triangle. This side, same sort of thing, but we're going to start from this point here. I'm going to bring up my pen to the edge there, come back round like that, and then bring it in there. There we go. So we've got that little bit of bow just sticking out of the hair. Okay, next up, let's continue with the rest of Maggie's face. So I've got a little curve here where her cheek is. Curve that to there. And then she's got a little pacifier or dummy. So that comes around this way around her mouth. So what I'm going to do is start here, just draw a nice curve. Like that. Then I'm going to draw a bit of a U shape. Come out this way, around and in. Join up the edges like that, 2 little lines, and then we're just going to draw a little sort of U shape around that so that pacifies in. We've got a little bit of a chin just underneath that. Curve it around like that. And then got a neckline, and actually there's a little neckline that comes round up to that piece there. Got an ear to go, so there's actually a little line up where her neck is here. And then I've got a little curved element where the ear is. So I'm just going to go around like that for her ear. Now what I have learned is the Simpsons ears, the in part, is a bit like a T shape, just like a curved T. So I'm going to draw a little line up like that first of all, and then just curve it there like that. Just draw a little T, you've got an ear in. Okay, so next up, what I'm going to do is just continue with the body and draw the arms out here. So first of all, I'm going to go and just come outwards, curve out this neckline here, one here, and then I can draw the arms popping out. So I've got a nice long curve to about here, where the arm's sticking out, bring it out to about there. And on this side, what we do is kind of go around the sort of dummy or pacifier, I suppose. So I'm going to come out, I'm going to draw a little line coming out around there, and then continue that line as it comes out around here. On this one, I can curve that around here, lip it a little bit there, and I can come back on itself over this way. If I continue the body, I will do the hands last. So I'm going to continue downwards here. I'm going to draw a little curve as a body starts to appear, and then she's wearing this like big old baby grow, so it's really sort of big and boofy. It kind of curves out here. We've got another curve there, and we've got a little bit of a foot, so just going to curve it out around there where the foot goes in, lip it around here, and I'm going to bring the pen round, curve it to a little sort of bit trailing at the end there, like that. And then I just need to bounce my pen up, so sort of like 3 steps really. I've got one here, so 1, then 2, then 1 coming right up to there. There's a little line there, and then I can draw that underarm that we've got here. So just bring my pen out, nice curve, bring it in there. Just the hands to go. So we've got the hands reaching out. So what I'm going to do, just start on this point here, just go down a little bit further to about here. I'm going to draw just a nice little curve around the baby grow area there, and then I'm going to come upwards, little thumb, down like that. Next up, I'm going to come out, just draw 3 curved digits. So, got 1, 2, 3, join it up there, draw a little edge for the hand, and that's that hand done. On this side, it's a similar sort of thing. So I just need to come out, draw the thumb first, come out this way. So I'm going to go out here, 1, 2, 3, and finally the little finger to about here, and then we'll just join in to the rest of that baby crow. Little curve there, and there we have it. There's Maggie Simpson from The Simpsons. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know which other Simpsons characters I can draw, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.